Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on Tricky Maths Part 27. You have 4 friends standing in a line. There are 4 oranges in a basket. Each friend is given 1 orange. Yet, 1 orange remains in the basket. How is this possible? It's a very straightforward problem there. Now, if you want to solve this, please pause the video now, because I'm going to move on to the next slide to see how we go about solving this problem. So you have the option of pausing the video now. So here are our 4 friends. To make our problem quite visual, we have Bill, Ted, Ron and Sam. So if we set it up this way, it's quite easy to see what's going on. And here is our basket with 4 oranges. Now let's see how this can unfold, where each person is actually given 1 orange, but at the end there's still 1 orange in the basket. Very, very tricky, isn't it? So let's see what happens. From the basket, we give Bill 1 orange. We give Ted 1 orange. We give Ron 1 orange. And we give Sam 1 orange, but his orange stays in the basket. So we hand Sam the actual basket itself, and the orange remains in the basket. And that is how 1 orange stays in the basket. Isn't that a tricky little sum? I wonder if you got that out if you thought about it. I hope you really enjoyed it. Most of these sums are quite straightforward, but you just have to sit and think a little bit. And I look forward to presenting a lot more of these for you in the future.